All right, so today I had a $23 day, but with a $10 loss in ALYA. So this stock, I bought it pre-market. I saw it tested the VWAP, and so on this candle here, I thought it was going to break through. I went in with 40 shares. And then I think I added more on this red candle into this green candle right here for it to retest, and it never did, and I ended up selling it down here in the 60s. I guess I was just a little bit too slow on taking the loss, and so that put me down $10 on the day. And from there, I kind of was just chopping around on different stocks that weren't really moving. And then on, what do we have? My two big ones, well, relative to today, HOFV. This move here, I was stalking this. I knew it was going to squeeze out shorts through VWAP. I just had a feeling, just because there was a lot of the shorts were here. Had stop losses above 37 just because it was just going through this range the whole time. And I knew that it was hanging around here, and it made a higher low, and I knew it was had a high chance at least of squeezing out some shorts. So I was stalking it up here, and then I watched it pull all the way back. And then on this green candle here, I scaled in with like 100 shares and took it off at the top. And then I was scalping the top here for an extra couple bucks. But I made 17 on that. And then off of this move, I knew that DLPN was having the same setup. And I had a really very similar setup, and I knew that if HOFV was going to do it, it was also a good chance that DLPN was going to do the same thing. And look, it did the exact same thing. Squeezed out shorts just a little bit before getting re-shorted all the way back down. Right here, it bounced off this level, reclaimed this support, bounced off this support, and then retested the VWAP. I didn't buy in yet. I bought in for this break of this candle here of 29.30. I bought in maybe 10 or 20 shares, I think, something like that, and then took some off in the 30s, and then took some off in 31. I didn't get it all the way to 32. I think maybe I scalped with 2 shares from 31 to 32 for the break of this candle here, because it had a potential of really gapping up maybe another $2 more, $3 more, and maybe to the highs over 38. But this market was kind of choppy, didn't really have much momentum. In a different market, maybe this would have gapped up, bounced off this support, and then kind of trailed all the way, making its way above 38. Same with HOFV. So this is just what the market gave me, and I was able to capitalize on both of those opportunities and turn my day around from down, I think at one point I was down $12 to now up 23. So I guess, I'll take what I can get today. Today was, I guess, a hot day, but I will come back tomorrow, and maybe there'll be more opportunities. So overall, today was a decent day. $23 is not too far off my average. My average green day is like 25 to 30, 25 to 35, somewhere in there. So I'll take it. I don't think I'm going to trade anymore today because I have to go to my day job and grind out, make some more money, and then we'll do it all over again tomorrow. I'm excited for tomorrow. I finally got my third monitor set up. So right now I have my laptop, and with a monitor on my right and a monitor on my left. And before, it was a pain in the ass. I had a MacBook Air first, and then I wanted to get the MacBook Pro. The guy's like, "Oh yeah, the MacBook Pro M1 chip. Do go with this. Like, you won't have a problem trading." And so I bought the M1 chip, and it turned out it only supported one extra monitor. So I found out the hard way after buying a second monitor and all these different adapters because I didn't think I thought the adapter was the problem. So I bought like 5 different adapters and none of them worked. And then it turned out that the M1 chip cannot support 2 monitors. So I took it back and had a whole ordeal with trying to get my Apple ID off of that platform. I had to figure out how to like pretty much wipe that whole slate clean without paying $50 to have a geek squad come do it for me. Eventually figured it out after like a whole day and got that returned, and I got a Microsoft Surface i7. I forget what model i7 it is, but so far it's really good. So I got the i7 with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 SSD. So that should be more than enough to trade on Thinkorswim and also maybe have a live stream set up and have 2 monitors. So right now I'm figuring out how to set up my live stream so I can start doing that again. And yeah, and also this Microsoft Surface can support 2 monitors. So right now I have my scanners and my news feeds on my left screen, and on my right screen I have six different charts that I'm looking at every day. And then on my middle screen, my computer screen, that's the stock that I'm currently trading. So I only trade one stock at a time because I know that if I'm trading multiple stocks at once and I'm in multiple positions with my trading strategy, it just gets too hectic. And so I'll look at my right screen and I'll look at potential setups, and when I see something I like, I type it in my main monitor, which is my computer, my regular laptop. I'll type it in there and I'll do my trading on that. And then if I see something else, I'll type in a different ticker and start trading that. So I kind of like this setup, but so far it's working for me. So that's all I have to you guys today, and hope to see you guys on the next recording or live stream, which will probably be this week. And yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and hope to see you guys soon.